Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto delete activity on Google Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that now Gemini application has become a trend because of the new feature called Nano Banana, and all the photos you have uploaded or all the chats you have made on Gemini will be recorded in your activity. And I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on auto delete activity so the activity will be removed automatically. Okay, first of all, you can open up the Google Gemini or you can open up first of all, you can open up Google Gemini. You can open gemini.google.com, or you can open up the Gemini application, and then you can select these three lines. Okay, then you can go down until you find the settings and help, and here you can open the activity menu. Okay, and as you can see that my activity is on, so my activity will be recorded here. And if you want to activate the auto delete activity, you can select this menu guys, and you can turn on the auto delete activity. You can select 3 months or 18 months or 36 months. It's up to you. And for me, I'm going to choose 18 months. And then we can click on next. Okay, and hold on. Okay, and then I'm going to click on done. Alright, and now the auto delete activity has been turned on. So activity older than 18 months will be deleted automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn on auto delete activity on Google Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.